Hey y'all, I'm about to watch the dogs right now. They sleep, but I'm finna wake them up. Yeah, but I'm finna watch.
Lady Diamond and Diamond Lady.
No!
Lady
Put
be on
Lady
the same
first.
side. I just put Lady first, Sheila.
Yeah, see?
Put her first on this one too.
One thing y'all can see real good.
Talk to me.
Well, I'm gonna put it right. I'm trying to put it where y'all can see it at again. I know. Right here. I know I just posted a video of y'all seeing them, but I'm gonna put this right here so y'all can see me washing the dogs. I'm trying to put it right. Y'all can see? Alright. I'm finna go get the dogs. Hold up. Well, y'all gotta wait right now because I set that time right the name for the tower dog so we'll know. So we just gonna pick up the tower and then watch them next time from the next time we finna watch the dogs. So we about to bathe them.
That's the only towel you use. Diamond Lady and Lady Diamond.
Let me show you the towel. This is the towel that y'all see it? The brown one is Lady and the black one is Diamond. And then on the other side, it says Diamond Lady. So they both have their own first name coming up first. Y'all see it? Lady Diamond and Diamond and Lady. Alright, so let me stop talking too much. Let me get into it. So watch the dogs. Alright, Mike, you ready?
What do you mean?
Alright.
Do one at a time,
One at a time.
Make sure the water ain't like real cold.
Alright.
She like warm water, Michelle said.
I gotta put it on warm water, y'all. Y'all might not gonna hear me, but
I'm gonna put it all the way on hot first. Let it get hot and then turn it back to warm.
alright. You scared? You good?
Yeah.
Alright.
So this motherfucker trying to drink the water.
Trying to drink the water.
When you put that soap in it, don't let her drink it.
Alright.
Start early and shit. And this soap won't burn their eyes because it's for dogs. Never bathe them with eye shampoo and shit because it burn their eyes.
Y'all see the dog wet? Feel good. I know it feels good, girl. I know it feels good. I know it feels good. Let's get that thing. Alright. I'm ready for the soap.
Turn the water off.
Come on, you ain't done.
Your hand. That's all you need for the whole body.
So like rub
your hands, not rub it on them. Probably 2 times like that.
Alright.
You can put your hand in the water and make it more soapy. There you go. Both hands. Look, I'm gonna show you something. Put it back down here.
Holy God.
Like this. See how it's setting up now?
Oh yeah. Like they can get like
all
more
over
water.
this.
Gotta do all this other stuff. Like. Yeah, I see him watching it. Y'all tell me which one y'all like better though. The brown one or the black one and brown. They two colors. She look like, wait, hold on.
What you doing?
Like I put this leg shoe try to catch the best. Like, wait, hold on.
What she was doing?
Yeah. No, I meant.
I'm gonna just take the water. Put it on. Turn the water back on. Like in the middle where you had it. Yep. And just put it up here. And just rinse out. Back over here. I did.
Yeah. Did you do it?
Yeah. I'm rubbing all up under her. Yeah, she was dirty too.
Yeah, she was dirty. This is a